Hello and welcome back to another Python interview practice problem on LeetCode. Again, this is another one on the top interview 150. This one's the single number problem. So this problem, we have an array and it has 2 of every number that it has in it, except for one number it has only 1. And we got to return the one that's just a single number and not that doesn't have a pair, right? So this one's 2, 2, 1. We got to return the 1. This one's 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we got to return the 4 because there's not a second 4, but there's a second 1 and there's a second 2, right? So this one, if you're familiar with bitwise operators, it has a very short solution. So say we have an array of numbers, say 2, or let's make it a little bit more 4, 1, 4, 1, 5. No, that's not a good one. Let's just say 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. That's better. So we start with 5 would be 1, 0, 1. And so what we need to do is we know eventually we're going to we need to turn that bit on that we where we need to turn off the bit that we turned on when we reach the number, right? And it's going to be that if there's another number like 7, for example, that uses those same bits, it'll turn off, but it'll balance out because there's another 7. So for every bit that's turned on, if there's a second number that's the same number, those bits will be turned back off, right? So if we did this and we did a binary XOR, so an XOR is we compare 2 binary numbers, and if the same bit is set on both numbers, it's a 0. And if the same bit is not set on both numbers, it's a 0. But it's only a 1 if there's only a 1 bit on one or the other for that position. So this would come out to 0, 1, 0. And then we take 5 again, right? And then this would come out to 1, 1, 1. And then we get 7 again. And then we have 0, 0, 0. And then 9 is going to be the 8-bit and the 1-bit. And that XORed with 0, 0, 0, obviously, is just going to be 9. So implementing that is pretty simple. We're going to just say result is equal to 0. And then we have this array numbers, and we're going to say for num and nums, we're going to say result, and this is the XOR operator, XOR equals num, and then when we get out of that loop, we're just going to return the result. So let's see how that works. Great. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.